We're excited to announce we just bought this shipping container home in the heart of Old Fort, North Carolina. This home is conveniently located in downtown Old Fort, North Carolina, with just UDA Wine Bar right across the street, Hillman's Brewery right next door, and the Old Fort Bike Shop just a block away. Now, this isn't just your average shipping container home. It's 4 separate containers that makes up 2 beds and 2 baths and about 1,260 square feet. This home was designed by Bill Triplet, an architect out of Black Mountain, North Carolina, and in 2019 actually won the Gold Craftsmanship Award and the 2019 Innovation Award. And on top of that, it backs up to this beautiful stream. But that's actually where the problem starts. You see, it's not all good. While this place was a beautiful home up until a few months ago, it did take on some damage from Hurricane Helene. Now, we have a lot of work to do, but I'm really excited to show you what's inside. When you walk in, you come into this little dining area. Now, we got some plans to replace some of the furniture, paint on the wall, and those sort of things. And if I turn around, we've got a full galley kitchen, complete with stove, refrigerator, hard granite top, and this leads all the way through to the living room. So I really like what they've done with this living room. They have big sliding glass doors on both sides of it. And this is actually half of 2 different containers, so the space feels big and open. Now, as you can see, somebody started these floors. We'll have to figure out what we're gonna do here. Don't know if we're gonna replace them or just keep going with what they put in here. But they did start doing some work. Just not sure if we're gonna keep these floors or not yet. Now, let me show you a couple of the bedrooms. And in this closet, we have a stackable LG washer and dryer. So they've continued the themes throughout the bedrooms. Each end of each shipping container has these huge sliding glass doors. And these are really nice doors. They're nice and sturdy, and they work really well. As you can see, they've already finished the floors in here, and they've actually kept some furniture. I'm really happy to see this lineberry cart here. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. That's gonna make a beautiful coffee table. Now, each bedroom is 2 containers wide. So again, even though this is a container home, it feels so wide open. And each bedroom has its own bathroom. Come on, I'll show you. Now, before we get to the bathroom, each room also has these nice closets. Plenty of storage for our guests, huge floor-to-ceiling mirrors, and they each lead to their own bathroom. The bathrooms are decorated very nice. We've got a nice big vanity here, plenty of countertop space for anything anybody needs, and we even have a fancy toilet. And I don't know what this is. I think it's a bidet, but it looks like it's got some sort of water squirter on there, and I'm kind of afraid to touch any of that right now. Now, the one thing we'll have to figure out is, since this is the end of one of the containers, as you're going to the bathroom, you could just say hello to the world. There's a huge sliding glass door. Excuse me, can you come back in just a couple of minutes? I'm kind of doing something. I'm sure we'll put blackout curtains in here for privacy, but it is nice to allow that natural light to come in if you're doing your makeup or getting ready to go out for the night. And if I turn around, we've got a full shower and tub in this bedroom. This is tile wall, so like this is all ceramic tile, nice subway tile. It just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. All the fixtures are in really good shape. This place just needs a little bit of TLC to bring it back to life. All right, now follow me and we'll go to the next room. Now, this is the biggest of the 2 bedrooms. As you can see, they left a bunk bed here. I think it's got a full or a queen on the bottom and a full on the top, something like that. We have plans to put a nice desk in, so anybody that's working from home will have a nice place to work. And since we're so close to all these trails in Old Fort with the mountain biking and road biking, they even have a bike rack up here on the wall, which we're gonna definitely keep. And if I turn around, the theme of the big open windows bringing lots of natural light into the space continues. As we get back into the last part of this home, you can see we have a nice closet. This time it's on each side. Again, ceiling to floor mirrors, great lighting, plenty of storage space. Anything that a guest might need is already in here, or we have a space for it. And then we get back to this last bathroom. This bathroom is a little bit bigger, and you can see This actually has dual vanities. So again, plenty of counter space, dual vanities, nice big mirror, nice light fixtures. Natural light coming in while you're on the toilet. Now, I will say this toilet over here, this one doesn't have the little water spray thing, and I think I'm okay with that. These look like really nice toilets. I don't think we're gonna get rid of them. We just need to clean them up a little bit. And then this one has a shower. It does not have the bathtub, but it does have a full shower, fully tiled, glass doors, all ready to go. Just needs to be cleaned up a little. And we're gonna be sharing our journey with this project along the way. So make sure you're subscribed down below so you don't miss the updates on this property. And as a bonus, we're gonna be sharing this place with you on Airbnb. So after we get the place rehabbed and refurnished, we're gonna be offering it on Airbnb so you can come stay in the beautiful town of Old Fort, North Carolina with your family and enjoy the biking trails, the brewery, and all the hiking and activities that Old Fort, North Carolina has to offer. We're excited to share this with you, and as always, thanks for watching.